5 free AI tools to boost your productivity. New list. AI tools are popping up everywhere, but with so many choices, it's hard to know which ones actually save you time. In this video, I'll share 5 free AI tools that can seriously boost your productivity. These are powerful, easy to use, and completely free. And stick around until the end, because tool number 5 is one that even many AI enthusiasts overlook. First up, Grammarly. It's more than just a spell checker. Grammarly's I can rewrite sentences for clarity, adjust tone, and help you sound professional, whether you're writing emails, reports, or social posts. If you want to cut editing time in half and communicate more effectively, Grammarly is a must-have, and the free plan covers the essentials. Second, Trello with AI power-ups. Trello is already a fantastic project management tool, but with AI integrations, it becomes even smarter. You can generate task descriptions, set deadlines, and even auto-organize projects. It's perfect for personal to-do lists or team collaboration, and the free version is more than enough for most people. Third is Copy.ai. If you've ever been stuck staring at a blank page, this tool will change your life. Copy.ai can generate blog intros, social captions, ad copy, or even brainstorming ideas. Instead of wasting hours trying to come up with the right words, you can generate polished text in seconds. Fourth, let's talk about Krisp.ai. If you're working remotely, this one is gold. Krisp uses AI to remove background noise in real time during calls. No more barking dogs, keyboard clacks, or coffee shop chatter. It makes you sound professional instantly, and the free plan gives you a set number of noise cancellation minutes each week. And finally, Zapier AI. If you love automation, this is next level. Zapier connects your apps like Gmail, Slack, Google Sheets, and now with AI, you can create smart workflows with simple text prompts. Imagine telling Zapier, when I get an email with an invoice, log it into a spreadsheet. It just works, saving you repetitive manual effort. So there you have it. Grammarly, Trello, Copy.ai, Krisp, and Zapier AI, 5 free AI tools that help you write better, organize smarter, communicate clearly, and automate boring tasks. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future videos on beginner-friendly AI tips. Work smarter, not harder. That's the AI way.